Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim is here with your social studies new topic, irrigation and its methods. As we have done the types agriculture in previous sessions and the factors affecting agriculture uh, and different methods of agriculture. Now we will do the irrigation and its methods. Irrigation means, what is irrigation means? Irrigation is the process of applying controlled amount of water to plants and at needed intervals. So what is irrigation? In simple words, you can say the irrigation is the supply of water to the farmlands at intervals when needed. Irrigation helps to grow agriculture, crops, maintain landscape, and revegetate disturbed soils in dry areas and during periods of less than average rainfall. So irrigation helps. It is very important because it helps in growing the crops first. Then it also maintains the soil and and also that soil which becomes dry after vegetation, so it is used again to revegetate, and for this purpose irrigation or the supply water is very important to make the soil fertile again for recropping or revegetate. Then also when it is very helpful when there is a very little rainfall. So water is scarce when there is a little rainfall. For this purpose we use the irrigation or supply of water through different means. Look at this. In this picture, irrigation is shown to the farmlands. Here the water is coming and it is supplied to the crops. In this, it is also supplied, used irrigation method in this picture. Pakistan's irrigation system uh, is very useful and one of the largest irrigation system in the world. Pakistan's system of irrigation is one of the best in the world. It consists of a large network of canals constructed in the 19th century. So, because of the rivers in Pakistan, we have the best irrigation system in Pakistan. Methods of irrigation. What methods we use in irrigation? We use dams and barrages, canals, well, tube well, Persian wheel, garage system. These are the methods of irrigation we use in Pakistan. Dams and barrages. A dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of water or underground streams. So in the dams, actually these are constructed to store the water, uh, and it is used throughout the year. When there is a shortage of water, we use the water from the dams. Barrage. Barrages are floodgates used to stop or divert the flow of a river. So barrages are the gates which are uh, erected on the rivers to stop or to divert the flow of the river. Dams of Pakistan and their location. These are some main dams of Pakistan. Tarbela Dam, which is located on River Indus, largest dam. Then Mangla Dam, River Jhelum. Warsak Dam, located on River Kabul, and Hub Dam on River Hub. Barrages of Pakistan and their location. Guddu Barrage, River Indus in Sindh. Kotri Barrage is located on River Indus in Sindh also. Thakkar Barrage on River Indus in Sindh. Jinnah Barrage in Punjab. Rasool Barrage in Punjab. Tonsa Barrage in Punjab, and Chashma Barrage is also in Punjab. So these are the main barrages which are of Pakistan on the different regions in the provinces of Sindh and Punjab and KPK. Dams and barrages are also shown in this picture on the map. This map is also present in your book. So study the barrages and dams. You can also find which province the dams, on which rivers the dams and barrages are located. Canal system is the thing which brings river water close to the field where it is required to be. The canals come out of the rivers and lakes. So these canals are taken out from these canals are dug from the rivers. They are taken out from the rivers uh, to the and take the water to the required place. So these canals are dug from the rivers and bring water and irrigate water to the farmlands where they are needed. Pakistan's canal system is one of the best canal system of the world. The huge network of canal in the Punjab and Sindh carries water from the rivers to farm and field. So these canals are constructed uh, in different provinces from the rivers and take water to the farmlands. Look at this picture. The canal is shown in this picture and water is taken to the farmlands. Well, another method of irrigation fields is by digging shallow wells to reach the underground water. So wells are dug to take out the water from underground, and it is taken to the farmlands also. A large wheel-like structure called the Persian wheel used to obtain water from these wells. Since these wells are not deep, they soon dry up or become stagnant. So, in Persian wheels like structures called the Persian wheel. These are also the wells, but they are not so deep, so they become dry after a short time. Persian wheel is shown is in this picture. Look at this. This is the well, and the bulls are uh, moving this wheel through which the water is taken out and is stored in this reservoir. From there, it is taken to the from to the farmland like this. So this is the method of irrigation through Persian wheel. Tube wells are dug down into the ground. A motor or an electric pump draws water from underground and stores it in a reservoir from where farmers can send it into the field as required. So, from the tube well, water is also pumped out through the electric pump and it is taken to the farmlands. Look at this. This is in this picture. This is the tube well. Electric. It is bringing out or taking out the water through electric pump, and it is stored in this reservoir. Then from here, it is taken to the farmlands here. Kharez system is one of the oldest known irrigation system to the world. It is widely used in Balochistan. To make a Kharez well is dug on high ground to stop the underground water. When water is found, tunnel sloping downwards is dug from the water source to bring that water to a target area downhills. A series of narrow wells are dug at several points to help check the water flow. So, Kharez system is the oldest in Balochistan and it is widely used in Balochistan, in which the well is not dug on the uh, lower ground, but it is dug on the high ground. And water is when the water is found, different uh, different wells are dug in this slope. And when the water is found, it is taken out and it is mm, irrigated to the farmlands in Balochistan. Carriage system, look at this. Water is taken out from the water table, underground the water table, and then it is stored in the reservoir. Trivia time. The Sakkar barrage is the pride of Pakistan irrigation system, as it is the largest single irrigation network of its kind in the world. So what we have done, we are revising that important points. कि Sakkar barrage is the important barrage of Pakistan. It irrigates a large network of the farms. Karbela Dam is located in Pakistan, is the world's largest field-type dam. It is built over the river Indus near a small town of Tarbela in Haripur district of country. So Tarbela is the largest dam which is located on river Indus in Haripur district, or it is field type dam. Water is filled in that dam throughout the year. Kariba Dam in Zimbabwe is also the biggest dam, which also has the capacity of storing the large amount of water. So these were the dams and barrages and different methods of irrigation. After this, you have to do a task. Name the oldest irrigation system of the world. Describe canal system of Pakistan. Make a list of dams and barrages of Pakistan. Read this topic also in your book. You can find the answers from the book also, or you can find the answers in this presentation also. So reading book is very important for you for writing the correct answer. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in next class inshallah. If there are some queries, you can ask me in Zoom online class. So Allah Hafiz till then.